I'm actually working AP6, and it's actually C1 and coccyx. Left C1 and occiput with coccyx. So I can tell by how her system's responding and how fast subsystems are changing, like the progress being made. And that's one of the things you'll see. It's like going to be faster responses and more rapid mobilization of energy. What's happening is that she's finding this coccyx, and the access point is so available. And it just like it's just holding me there. I'm just going to hold that contact for a little bit here. I'm like hooked into that interface, the etheric interface. I'm hooked into life force, and I'm lifting up, and I'm sinking a little deeper into the emotional now that she's starting to engage it. But I am like pulling up with. I'm doing like an isometric contraction here that I'm pulling up, like directly up toward the ceiling, directly up. Now I'm starting to lose the rapport there. And now I'm going to come up to this atlas and do this contact. There we go. And now, C1 coccyx. Yeah, and because this has been mechanically so locked, bring your leg in like figure 4, like that. Yep, froggy leg position. Beautiful. Now, so now we have her system finding that double oscillation. Now we're not seeing like this massive move, but her system is picking up. She's connecting both ends. Now go ahead, Preslie, and turn onto your back. She's finding the mechanics of it. This is all the fascia patterning that was tied into that fracture, wrapping, compressing, being in a collar, being in all of that restriction, and just, this is life force, but it's now going into the fascia between the ribs and between the sternum here. And into the emotional. We're accelerating it because our system couldn't rise and extend when the fascia and the ribs were so compressed together. So now we have the energetic vortex that's going through. Just finding the exact access point. There we go. And we got it. Now she's linking the two oscillators together. Heart isn't quite there. She's starting to look. Notice one kind of drops out, then these link, then that drops out. So we're looking now to synchronize all three. Heart opens, these drop out. See how this dance is happening? Our system is looking to find coordination and coherence. There. Now we're starting to, for one moment, they all synced up. There. Yes. When you have the kind of traumatic experience and series of traumatic experiences that Preslie went through, it's like coming out of a cave and you were lost and you found that you just found you found the exit or the entrance to come back home, really. Because that fragmentation is a dissonant distortion that keeps you out of being home, really. So we're moving into more stillness, coordination of coccyx, C1, whole area of her upper chest and higher heart region is quivering, oscillating. This whole structure and energetic center is coming into expansion. Heart oscillator with Atlas. It's dropped out of coccyx right now. But she found it, she already made the connection. Even just 1 nanosecond where all three of those are coordinated will change someone's life. And then the more you can find it and sustain it, the more it continues to be like your baseline.